You want to write better code? Start by writing better commit messages. We've all written commit messages like update, fix, final fix, and my favorite, why doesn't this work? Once I was stuck in an issue on our app and I was debugging late night. I decided to go through our Git history to read those commit messages in order to trace the issue. And then I realized that the Git messages were useless. And I got really frustrated because there has to be a better way. And we've all been there. I'm sure you can relate with this. And that's why today I want to talk about a convention, a standard for writing clear commit messages. It's called conventional commits. Your commit messages consist of three parts: type, an optional scope, and a clear defined message, along with optional body and footer. For example, if I'm working on an authentication for the app, I can say feat auth add login endpoint. According to the specification, you can have various types of work you're doing. For example, if you're working on a new feature, you can use the keyword feat. If you're working on a bug fix or fixing an issue, you can use fix. If you're making an improvement on your code, you can use refactor, and so forth. You can find all the different types on the conventional commits website. If you're making a change that is a breaking change that can break something in your app, you can specify that by adding an exclamation mark to the type of your commit. But let me give you a bonus. Rewrite your commit messages in an imperative mode. Use add instead of adding. Use fix instead of fixing. Your commit messages should finish the sentence. For example, if I say, if applied, this commit should add the login endpoint. Conventional commits gives us a clear and structured way to write our commit messages. But they are more than that. It helps us to automatically generate change logs. It helps with semantic version of the code, triggers our CI/CD pipelines, and it communicates your code's journey better to others. So if you want to build an application that scales, start with this simple step. Follow conventional commits. You want to write better code? Start by writing better commit messages. Remember, code is communication. Write well. Keep coding.